Welcome to Workshop Mate. This video will guide you through the basic items you'll need to be familiar with to get started with your new application. To access your system, visit the following link in your web browser. You may want to save this to your favorites bar, bookmarks, or save it as a shortcut on your desktop. Log in with your email address and password. You'll now see the Workshop Mate dashboard with large quick link buttons to common everyday items you'll be using, such as creating new bookings, jobs, receipts, or purchase orders. Before getting into that, you may find it useful to set up and customize your software a little bit first. The Maintenance and Settings menus along the top are home to several items you can configure to suit your business. Under Settings, Company Details will allow you to change your company name, ABN, address details, phone numbers, workshop start and close times, etc. Company Users provides you the ability to add as many users to the application as you need for your employees. Here you can change their usernames and passwords, as well as change the level of access each account should have. Subscription Details holds your billing information and credit card details for hassle-free automated billing that you can set up to avoid any downtime. The Xero and MYOB screens allow you to link your new Workshop Mate program to an existing Xero or MYOB company file you may already have, or perhaps wish to start in order to manage your company's finances. General Settings. Here you can set the average labor hourly cost for use on your profit reports to calculate a cost to assign to each service being sold. Customize emails. Here you can enter your email address and the name you wish customers to see they are receiving emails from. You can opt to receive a copy of every email sent out for your records. This is also the screen you can change the wording that is included on the email sent out to the customers. Open each respective template and edit the text. Customize Report houses settings you can modify to change the way your job cards, invoices, repair orders will look and print out for the customers. Work hour settings specify the amount of hours the mechanics you set up in the Company Users screen work on each day of the week. This is useful if you are planning to use the program's booking calendar to organize how many hours are free for bookings on any given day, and for the allocation of jobs to specific mechanics. SMS Settings. If you're planning on sending job completion SMS notifications, booking reminder notifications, or service reminders by SMS, you'll need to activate a Burst SMS account from this screen. It's free and instant to sign up. You'll just need to add a credit card to add credit to your account before you can start messaging customers. The service reminder, booking reminder screens allow you to customize precisely when booking and service reminders are sent out to your customers, and by what means, whether it be by email or SMS, as well as allowing you to change the wording of those messages. Once you've finished configuring your program settings to the extent you're happy with, you are now ready to begin entering data into the system to prepare your system for streamlined daily use. Keep in mind, some of these items can be imported from your previous software or lists you may have via the Import menu item. Please refer to the Import-Export section of our help documentation or contact us for assistance if this is required. The Maintenance menu houses all of the lists of data you'll need to input and maintain, including your parts, service, customers, vehicles, and supplier lists. Open Parts to begin searching and adding new items to your parts list. Prescribed parts simply being an addition to your parts list, but is only for vehicle parts that your state legislation may require you to keep a special dealing register of. Consumables are resources in the workshop that are not tracked for stock control. This can include items such as rags, cleaners, and a labor consumable for the purpose of adding to services to denote the time spent on a particular service. Into Services, you can search for and create new service items to charge out on your invoices. Typically, you will set up all of the different kinds of services your workshop offers in here. 10,000K service, 20,000K oil and filter changes, pink slip inspections, etc. Whilst creating a service, you'll be given the option to specify whether it is an hourly charge, fixed charge, or item charge. Choosing hourly charge will allow you to specify the hourly rate for the service on each of your price levels. Selecting fixed charge allows you to add consumables and parts to the service. This is for a quick and easy bundled approach to invoicing your customers. You simply add all of the parts and consumables, including any labor charges related to the service, and at the end specify a single fixed charge for the service as a whole. When added to an invoice, all of the included items will be itemized, however only a single price will be shown to the customer. Selecting item charges allows you to do the same as fixed charge. However, the program will use the selling price of each individual item when the service is added to and displayed on the customer's invoice. Sublets list exists for you to search and create any services you may wish to charge your customers for, but require the work to be outsourced to another company and thus incur a cost yourself for. Price levels. Here you can create as many price levels as your company requires. Each price level may be given a certain amount of discount to be applied to the item's base selling prices. This includes parts and services. Customers are assigned a price level upon their creation so that they are charged the appropriate amount of discount automatically on invoicing. The suppliers, customers and vehicle lists allow you to view, add and maintain these respective lists of data, adding customers to your database, attaching vehicles to said customers, as well as adding suppliers for use on purchase orders. Inventory adjustment. Using this, you are able to create an adjustment to the stock level of any of the items on your parts list. This is particularly useful for writing off missing stock, or performing a stock take to increase the value of all your stock levels in the beginning. You can also view any previous adjustments made in the past via this screen too. That concludes the introduction of the configuration of your new system. Please refer to our range of how-to videos for guidance in taking the next steps.